Let's pull the water pump and get this busted gooseneck off of here and see what that water distribution valve looks like. I'm not confident I'm going to be able to pull it out of there because I don't know. You might need special tools for that, which I've seen them, but I've been pretty lucky on this vehicle so far. So let's see what happens. All right. I think that's the only ones. Already got this loose. I better get my bucket down here just in case. Jeez, if that was any easier. All right, that's the easiest water pump I've ever removed. And there's that tube. Let's see. Be right back. Let me go get something. All right, grab it. I'm not getting that out without the tool. Tool goes down the length of it, hooks up towards the end. You put a slide hammer on it, pop it out. So that we're going to have to deal with on a different day. So. All right, let's get this busted gooseneck off of here. That's interesting. It's a flapper. Tell you what, man, this truck has been very surprising as far as how easy things have been coming apart. So far, the manifolds have really been the only exception to the rule, right? I love these extension bolts because I had rebuilt a Willys a couple years ago. Of course, they didn't have these nice long guys like this, so you had to kind of get up in there and screw around. Let's put that right there. Spring tension, there we go. All right, one each fuel pump. Here's the other bolt. It's 5/8, by the way. case you're wondering. Kind of cool to see the original factory silver paint on here. Okay, remember this stud here has got the tip on it for the vent line bracket. All right. I'll just set these dudes back in there for now. And when we clean up the side of the block, we'll do the bolts individually. All right, what else we got here? We got us an Earl line. Line wrench, all right? Make sure you use your line wrench, 7/16. And this is the line that comes from the filter. Okay. Right up here to the rest of the freaking lines. Okey dokage. May as well loosen up the oil pressure sensor, pressure switch. They do fall down. Put that up with my generous partis bracket. All right, now we want to get this tube off. And that, my friends, some of you experienced guys already called it. All right, that's also a 1/2 inch. Oil filler tube, and one each. I just dropped probably a washer. Yep. Dipstick tube. Humma. That's enough for one evening. We'll tomorrow we'll go ahead and pull the timing cover off, okay, and the oil pan. And now look, I only have three brackets holding that motor on, so we're not going to rotate this engine. I don't want to risk, too much weight going the opposite direction and tearing something up. So we'll drop the pan as it sits. We're going to clean the block as it sits, get everything back together. Probably go ahead and check the end play on the crank while we're down this far. And that's it, man. I got to order some freaking gaskets, some paint, things like that. So, distribution tube for the water. So, Mr. John Bazal, after payday, brother. Payday's not until next Friday, and so we'll get an order in and start working on getting this thing cleaned up and put back together. Thanks, folks, for watching. Hope you had a good night.